Hello, this is Dr. A.G. Maitli, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. S.N.S. Rajeshmi College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to speak about fund flow statement. Objectives of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement reveals clearly the changes in terms of financial position between two different balance sheet dates, showing clearly the different sources and application of fund. Thus, it summarizes the financing and investing activities of the enterprise. It also reveals how much of total funds is being collected by disposing of fixed assets, how much more from issuing shares or debentures, how much from long-term or short-term term, how much from normal operational activities of the business. It also provides information about the specific utilization of such funds, that is, how much has been used for acquisition of fixed asset, how much for redemption of preference shares, debentures or short-term loans, as well as payment of tax, dividend, etc. It helps the management in depositing all inflows and outflows of funds, which causes a changes in working capital of a business organization. Preparation of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement analysis, preparation of two statements: schedule of changes in working capital, statement of sources and application of fund. Statement of schedule of changes in working capital is a statement that comprises the changes in the amount of current assets and current liabilities on two balance sheet date and highlights impact on working capital. That is, current assets includes cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, closing stock, short-term investment, prepaid expenses and other current assets. Current liabilities includes bills payable, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, short-term loans taken, proposed dividend, provision for tax, other current liabilities. From this statement, we will come to know whether there is net increase or decrease in working capital. Fund flow statement. After preparing a schedule of changes in working capital, the next step is to prepare fund flow statement to find out the different sources and application of fund. While preparing the statement, the emphasis is given on the changes of fixed assets and fixed liabilities. The statement may be prepared either in T form or a vertical form. Fund flow statement. Sources of fund includes trading profit or fund from operation, issue of share capital, issue of debentures, raising of long-term loans, receipts from partly paid up share capital, sale of fixed asset, investment, non-trading receipt. Application of funds include trading loss and funds lost in operation, redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, repayment of long-term loans, purchase of fixed asset, purchase of long-term investment, payment of dividend, payment of tax.